Hi friends, you might be regularly posting blogs on your website, but those posts remains limited up to your website until you do not share on social media or anywhere else. So you might be looking for a solution so that your posted blog items may post on social media accounts automatically connected with your WordPress website. This can be done with a great plugin called Social Auto Poster. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the features of Social Auto Poster, WordPress scheduler and marketing plugin. So as name says, it is a plugin for automatic posting of blog posts on the social media accounts, and it can be done through scheduling as well. So Social Auto Poster is the name, as the name itself indicates, the functionality of WordPress plugin which is social media auto posting and scheduling that enhances your business online presence, audience, social community engagement and website traffic by quickly and easily publishing all types of WordPress posts. So this is being the basic introduction, and the plugin has been developed by WP Web originally. They are elite authors, and the plugin is very old and it is running smoothly since years, and it came into existence in 2013 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So if you need this plugin for marketing purpose, you can just follow the link given in the description of this video, and you can follow the on-screen instruction to get the plugin. And let us see the features of this plugins, what is on backend. So I will install the plugin for this. This is a demo website. This is using Elementor, and I wish to have a feature of auto social post on this website, so I have this plugin as well. So I have Social Auto Poster plugin with me, and this is installable. I am making a zip file for this. Okay, so we can use this file, and Social Auto Poster 4.1.0 is available with me, and this is the backend of WordPress. And WordPress got a core update released today, and now WordPress is running in the version 5.8.2. it is today's release, so as on date. Okay, so we are going to install the plugin, and I will go in the add a new plugin section for this. I'm just giving you an overview of this plugin so that you may understand what you are actually going to get after getting this plugin. And now click on install now. It is a useful plugin, of course. However, it can be done through the Jetpack free version as well. So this feature is also available in the Jetpack, but scheduling is not available there. So it is coming with scheduling, and now plugin has been installed and we can activate the plugin. Okay, so data update, you need to update your database. It is an alert, so it can be simply done by a single click. And yes, so database updated successfully. And now this is the screen where we can go for general setting. So enable social posting logs, Google Analytics campaign tracking, enable auto posting for new post only. Okay, that is also good. Schedule wall post instantly, minutes, hourly, twice daily, weekly. So these are the time moments that you can select for auto posting. Allow auto post from third-party plugins, delete options, and debug log is here. And for Facebook, there are certain settings. Similarly, it is for Facebook's general setting. Select tag, select category, post pages, landing pages. So whatever you are posting on your website, you can select what to go on the Facebook immediately, or you can even schedule. So URL shortener you can use, and pretty permalinks and Facebook API settings. So definitely you need to add Facebook account here and all social media accounts here without adding social media account. So there are two methods for adding the social media account, basically Facebook PPP method and Graph API method. So all this can be done through another knowledge based articles available on the web. So it is very simple. So just click on the button and it will tell you each and everything. So follow the on screen instruction and you can do this. So it is not so hard. Okay, so there are further more settings available. Share posting type, so link posting and image posting, and this is also very important. And do not follow individual post Facebook, and these are some options to put on the Facebook. Posting format option, individual post type message, post image you can select, or custom message even you can select, and this is very good. So you can automate the complete auto posting of Facebook, and similarly it is for Twitter. And for Twitter there are multiple settings or information that you need to integrate Twitter account as well. And yes, okay, so these are the basic settings available for Twitter, and here also you can select what you need to push. Similarly for LinkedIn, and settings are available for LinkedIn as well, and all possible settings, all possible way of posting the post or page on the social media account is available here. Tumblr and also YouTube. So YouTube data API, YouTube data API allows only 10k units, 5 videos per day. Okay, so you can post 5 videos per day automatically to your YouTube account. If you are posting on your website, you can push directly to your YouTube account as well, and that is very good. So this is completely a new feature for me as well. So I have never thought it can be done for YouTube as well. So you might be aware, but this feature is available here, and this is great. So if you are posting any articles or making any page on your website, it can go directly to the YouTube, and I don't know how it will look on YouTube, but yes, it is available. So you can check it by Pinterest and Google My Business, Reddit, Telegram, Medium, okay, and WordPress itself. So there are multiple social media accounts. Almost all social media accounts are available, at which you can push the post directly to from your website, and it is definitely going to be helpful in marketing, and it is also going to save much of your time. So manually posting is always difficult, and you cannot post in such a technical manner in what this plugin is doing for your website. So okay, so you can have this plugin. Just follow the link given in the description of this video, and you will be able to use this plugin. Just install and configure all the social media accounts. It will definitely work. You might have certain questions regarding this plugin. Don't hesitate asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch directly with me by following the link given in the description of this video. I believe this feature is going to be helpful for your WordPress website for social auto posting, and I'm coming with another useful plugin, utilities, or wonderful theme for you. I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please do subscribe. I am definitely making the WordPress website better for you, and well, I am also, in fact, I am trying to make better for you. Okay, so fine, thank you for watching.